Good morning, guys. First of all, as many of you know, I'm COVID positive, and the virus is not as digitally, powerful that it can spread through videos. So don't you guys worry about watching this video. One another good thing is you don't have to tolerate me for more than 5 to 6 minutes because I may not be able to stand up more than that. I have too much weakness. But few days back we have shot a video that why coronavirus is Bechara virus and why you should not get worried of that. Now such a powerful virus who is taking the whole world on hold, maybe it got offended and it took me up. So what would a parents do to a notorious child? They always threaten you that if you don't do this, I'll lock you in the bathroom. If you don't do this, I'll lock you in the room. So that is what I have been doing. I've offended COVID and it has locked me in the 12 by 12 room, and probably I have a little bit of terrace which I can use every morning and every evening. But one thing I would like to mention here is I would still say that coronavirus is Bechara virus and nobody should get worried of that. The first day when you realize, when you do a rapid test, that day is purely an anger, a frustration that why me, why it has happened to me, what am I gonna do for next 14 days, It may look as shiny from outside that you are gonna have a me time for next 14 days. You are gonna, you can do anything what you want. You will have a pure me time for next 14 days. Within first 6 hours you realize that it's not easy, locked up in a room and you only have your probably electric devices or some reading material and you don't have anyone else. So the first day is purely anger and frustration. Second day your actual RT-PCR test comes and you come to know that yes, you are definitely positive. Medically it has been proved, and your blood report comes, your CT scan comes, and then it's a day of fear because you start reading so many news that this many people are dying, this many people are getting affected, what are the after COVID effects, what you may have to go through for next 14 days. So that is 100% fear. And the third day when it comes, you come to an acceptance. So today is my third day. I have accepted that yes, this is what happened to me. I need to take care of my body, I need to take care of my family, I need to take care of myself, and I don't have any way to go. The only way I have to go is find the key that how to get out of that locked room which I have been locked up with. So I have few people with me. First of all, Dr. Kunjan Joshi, whom we have shot that video with. So I trust him more than God. So I always call him God because I have more faith on him than anybody else. So thank you, Dr. Kunjan Joshi, for being on your toe all the time for last 72 hours and also motivating me to shoot this video. Second, I would like to thank my wife. I am locked up in a guest room which is on the second floor of my house. Everything happens on the ground floor. How difficult it is to be climb up probably 40 steps every day, probably 6 times, 7 times, and passing on things and even not being able to look at me, not being able to touch me, not being able to even properly see me. So I would like to thank her for keeping calm and keeping patience all the time. I would like to also thank my father, who has been a constant motivation throughout my life. I got diabetic probably 15 years ago, and he always reminds me every day that if you can fight diabetes for 15 years now, without even hampering any body part, without even damaging any body part, then why can't you defeat this? So I am on a way of defeating this virus. I have said that this many people are helping me to find the key or to get the key for the room which I've been locked with. I request all of you to please do not post messages like take care and get well soon, because probably no patient would need that, because they are anyways taking care of them. They are also hoping to get well soon. Rather, why don't we post stories or post some any experiences you have which have been helped through any person to come out through this. The recovery rate is probably 95%, if I'm not wrong. So out of 100 people who have been COVID positive, 95 people has been recovered, and everybody has small stories. So why don't we come up with those stories and let's motivate other people, let's inspire other people that yes, we still believe firmly that coronavirus is Bechara virus and it is not going to harm anybody of us. What we need to do is just carry on with your life, being stable mentally, and taking care of yourself by good food and good medicine. I'm going to start vlog from today. So this is my first video. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about death, that why death should be celebrated and not should be mourned. Let's do that. So tomorrow I'm waiting for that. Come up with any content if you want me to cover it. I can probably stand for 5-6 minutes and cover up my views and my ideas. Thank you so much guys, and have a happy life, healthy life.